Bel, tulungan mo naman ako dito.
Wait lang, ma. Sandali lang.
Girl, anong ginawa ng mother mo?
Nagsusolid lang. Parang close lang.
Girl, parang ang hirap naman yan.
Ewan, para wala namang silbi yan.
Angkol, handmade. Bro. Lalaban.
Alam mo ba kung ano to?
Tela?
Hindi lang basta tela, may kwento yan.
Tanan nga panahon ato ning mao gid atong sanina no unya makakuan ka makakuan ka ngano nga dunay mga color ani nga upat ka color katong blue, red, white ug black no kasbot pasabot ta red sikas mga warrior kag sa loob do.
Ma, the people doesn't even care about this anymore.
Pwede ba akong tulungan? Hawakan mo lang ito.
Fine, saglit lang.
Girl, hindi pala easy.
Hindi talaga.
Gusto kay mama mo, ha?
Kailan naman ako? Ma, bakit ka namamubato?
Kasi pag tumigil ako, mawawala.
Bess. Yes? You know how to paint, diba?
Yes.
What if we gotta paint something?
About what?
About our tradition.
Wow, good idea.
Let's go. Let's go.
Before there was ink, before there was canvas, there was the land. Here in the heart of Mindanao, the earth of Bukidnon does more than grow our food, it holds our memories. This is not just dirt. It is the pigment of our history, waiting to be awakened. One earth, yet 7 distinct voices. We paint to honor the Bukidnon, keepers of the highland plains. We stroke the canvas for the Higaonon, the people of the living mountains. We grind the stone for the Manobo, the Matiksalig, and the Talmudic, the guardians of the sacred word and the ancient soil.